Well, how do you like that? A little bit of opening music. There we go. Hey, I'm Jan. I love helping people who keep some of their own hard earned money. Let me lower the music. Hang on. So I'm pressing pause and it's not pausing. Hang on. Hi, this is Jan. Love helping people keep some of their own hard earned money. How you doing today? Happy Sunday. I was given a lovely recipe. Hey, no more music. What's up with that? Hang on. Know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to lower it gently. There. Shush. Oh no, it's back. Hang on. Oh my word. As long as we're having a good little laugh, laughter is the best medicine. All right, I'm going to read to you a wonderful recipe. I didn't make it yet, but I could tell it's going to be good. Thank you so much, Pat, for submitting this recipe. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you. You are a wonderful, lovely person. All right, so here's the recipe for strawberry bread. Yes, and you're going to have to heat up your oven to 350 degrees. Yes. And you're going to need these dry ingredients. Are you ready? Okay. 1 cup of white flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 cup of white sugar. Did you write that down? Well, that's okay. I'm going to try to screenshot this and then I will hopefully send it over to the description later. Now, that's the dry ingredients. And for the wet ingredients, 1/2 a cup of canola oil, 1 egg slightly beaten to break the yolk, 1.5 cups of fresh washed strawberries. You're going to remove the hulls and you're going to chop it up into small pieces. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of water. Now, here's what you're going to do. You're going to beat the egg, the canola oil together until blended. You're going to add chopped strawberries to the bowl and fold it in. Then you're going to set that aside. Those are the wet ingredients. Next, you're going to combine all the dry ingredients together in a larger bowl, and you're going to make a well in the center. Then you're going to add the strawberry wet mix. Blend lightly all ingredients, but do not overmix. Did you hear that? Do not overmix. Why shouldn't we? Because that'll release the glutens. Next, you're going to take a 9 by 5 baking pan. You're going to spray it with nonstick. Spray lightly. If there's any or too much excess, wipe a little bit of that out with a paper towel. And you're going to bake this for 55 to 60 minutes. You're going to start checking at about 55 minutes with a cake tester or a skewer that the internal loaf is not wet but baked through. I could just imagine how nice this is going to smell. Wow. The top should be golden brown. Then you're going to take the pan from the oven and then you're going to cool it for 15 minutes on the rack. You're going to remove the loaf from pan and cool for an additional 30 more minutes. Additional 30 more minutes? Did I just say that? For an additional 30 minutes. Hello, Jan. Next, you're going to cut 8 to 10 slices and you could serve it. This loaf, by the way, it can be frozen and it makes a great holiday or birthday gift or just thoughtful gift or just something nice and cozy for your family or your friends. You got company. So this can be frozen and you can use it for gifts. in slices or a whole loaf. Wow. That sounds so good. And what I like, it doesn't sound too extreme in any way, shape, manner, or form. It seems simple to do. It sounds like it's affordable. It doesn't seem too sweet, like not too sweet, like just sweet enough. But anyway, wow, this is amazing. So I just thought I'd share this with you this morning. And I will be back later with another upload. I don't know if it's going to be no frills or if I'm going to be on camera. I have to make a decision about that. But I definitely, let's try this again, Jen. Definitely. I'll be back later. Should I close the show with the remainder of this tune? Let's go back to the tune and then I'll end the show. Hang on. Have a great day, everybody. See you later.